Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you how we fix the user Citrix profile issue. We have the Citrix Xenapp farm, and user has issue to log into Citrix to open the applications. So in this case, we want to rebuild the user profile to fix the issue. So what we do is we find out where the Citrix profile location is, because normally you know all the user's Citrix profile is pointing to the network drive, but in this case we just find the we go to the group policy. In this, for the Citrix policy, it always set up a network drive for the user profile. We just need to log the user off from the Citrix, and then we can go to the folder and rename the profile folder, and then ask the user to log in again. This is where we build the user profile. So today we just we have issue user count. We can't rename the user profile. We get some error message like when we ask the user to log off from the Citrix, and then we check the computer manager. Computer management, and then we go to the share folders and go to the open files. We confirm the user has not opened his profile from the network drive, and then we go to the user Citrix profile folder and try to rename the profile. Then we get this error message that the action can't be completed because the folder or file in it is open in another application. We get this error message, and then I try to find out which application is open the folders, or subfolders for the profile. I open the I open the process monitor. We can download the process monitor from Microsoft, and then for example it's just so if we search for process monitor, we can see there's a process monitor we can download, and then I'll just run this one. For example, if I download I run this process monitor, and then I set the filter to point to the start the path beginning from this user profile name, C colon slash Citrix profile slash username, and then I find out this many subfolders are opened by the Explorer, .exe. This is, if we check the process, it says the process is here, is process.exe 13648, and they open by the administrator who logs into the computer. And then if I end this task, and then it just we need to sign out the server because the Explorer is not opening anymore. Then when we try to rename the folder from the other server, like use the UNC name // we still get the same error message. Then, but we needed to, this one can be resolved if we restart the file server, but because there's other people logging into the, access the network drive, we can't restart the server. So we end up to rename the user account from, first name dot last name. The first, the original one is like, the username is like David Smith. So because the user logs into this as this name to log into Citrix, and because the user profile is locked by the local administrator on the server, and we could not rename it. Well, every time we will try to rename again the error message, and we see this administrator has opened the subfolders. This block us to rename the profile. Then finally we just set a workaround is to change the username to to another name. So we change the user account name from david.smith to david.smith1, and when this and ask user to log in to the Citrix as the new account name. After this, just a new profile folder created, like because before that is david.smith, and when we change the username to account name to david.smith1, when the user logs in again, it just create a new folder, Citrix folder named david.smith1, and the user is able to log in Citrix and open the applications. So this is just like a workaround to get the user into the Citrix and open the applications. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks.